Is your skin stinging when you use products that used to be totally fine? Are you dealing with redness, dryness, and breakouts that just won't quit, no matter what you try? It is so frustrating when it feels like your skin is fighting you every step of the way. You might just chalk it up to sensitive skin, or figure you picked the wrong product again. But the real problem might be deeper. Before you splurge on another serum, you have to figure out if you're actually dealing with a damaged skin barrier. We're going to walk through a simple 5-step check you can do right now to finally get some answers. By the end of this, you'll know what your skin is truly trying to tell you, and whether it needs an intervention. So, what even a skin barrier? The easiest way to think about it is like a brick wall. It's the best analogy for a reason. The bricks are your skin cells, and the mortar holding them together is made of natural fats, or lipids, like ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. This wall is the outermost layer of your skin, and its official name is the stratum corneum. This barrier has two critical jobs. First, it keeps the good stuff in, specifically, water. It stops moisture from evaporating, which is what keeps your skin hydrated, plump, and happy. Its second job, to keep the bad stuff out. We're talking pollutants, allergens, and bacteria. When this brick wall is solid, your skin feels great. It's resilient, calm, and healthy. But when that mortar starts to crumble and your barrier gets damaged, it can't do its job anymore. Water escapes, leading to dehydration. Irritants get in, triggering redness and sensitivity. A damaged barrier is the real root cause of so many skin frustrations. Trying to fix things like acne or dryness without addressing the barrier is like mopping the floor while the roof is still leaking. It just doesn't work. Alright, so how do you know for sure if your barrier is in trouble? Let's run through a quick 5-step check. I want you to mentally answer yes or no to these next 5 questions. And be honest. This is all about getting answers, not judgment. Step 1. The Tightness Test. So, first things first. How does your skin feel right after you wash it and put on your moisturizer? Does it still feel tight? Almost like your skin's a size too small, even 20 or 30 minutes later? If that's a yes, that's actually a pretty big clue. Healthy skin should feel comfortable after you moisturize. But if you've got that tight, pulled feeling that just won't quit, it suggests your barrier can't actually hold on to the hydration you're giving it. Sure, the cream gives you a bit of relief for a while, but since the barrier's compromised, water keeps escaping. And that's what we call transepidermal water loss. The tightness just comes right back. This isn't just about having dry skin. It's that constant feeling of tension that moisturizer alone can't really fix. Step 2. The sting test. Honestly, this might be the most telling sign of all. Are products that are supposed to be gentle, like your simple moisturizer, a hydrating serum, or even just water, suddenly stinging or burning when you put them on? If you're nodding your head, that is a major red flag. Your niacinamide serum shouldn't feel like a chemical peel. Your hyaluronic acid shouldn't burn. When your barrier is damaged, it's actually covered in loads of microscopic cracks. Those tiny gaps let products sink in way deeper and faster than they're supposed to, hitting nerve endings and triggering that fiery, uncomfortable feeling. A little tingle from a strong acid is one thing, but a burning sensation from your favorite gentle moisturizer, that's basically your skin screaming for help. Step 3. The Redness and Flushing Test. So, let's talk about redness for a sec. Are you seeing persistent blotchiness or irritation that wasn't there before? Does your face get flushed really easily from a change in temperature, or even just from washing it, and then the redness just hangs around forever? That's a classic sign of inflammation. A weak barrier lets irritants and allergens sneak past your skin's defenses, and that makes your immune system jump into action. That response shows up as redness, warmth, and just general discomfort. While this can also be a symptom of things like rosacea, a new and unexplained spike in redness often points right to a compromised barrier. Step 4. The texture test. So, next up is texture. Has your skin developed a rough, flaky, or uneven feel that, honestly, just seemed to appear out of nowhere? Maybe you've noticed your makeup, which used to go on smooth, now looks patchy and clings to dry spots you didn't even know you had. This happens because a damaged barrier messes up your skin's natural shedding process. When your skin can't hold on to moisture, the top layer of cells gets dehydrated and doesn't shed evenly. This causes a buildup of dry cells on the surface, creating that rough, dull look. Last one. Step 5. The routine pattern test. I want you to play detective here. Think back to when these problems started. Did the tightness and stinging show up right after you introduced a new strong retinoid or a daily exfoliating acid? Did you maybe get a little too excited and start using your favorite products more often? Or perhaps you got a new cleansing brush, or have just been loving those extra hot showers? This is the aha moment for a lot of people. More often than not, a damaged barrier is actually a self-inflicted wound born from our own enthusiasm. Over-exfoliating using harsh cleansers or piling on too many potent actives are the most common ways we strip our barrier's protective lipids faster than it can rebuild them. Okay, so just take a breath for a moment. How did you do on the check? If you answered yes to 2 or more of those questions, chances are your skin barrier is compromised and could really use some support. But honestly, don't panic. This is totally fixable, and we're just about to get into the exact repair plan. But first, if you're finding this helpful, could you do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button? It really helps me know you want more videos like this to help you reach your skin goals. So, you figured out your barrier is probably damaged. Now what? The road to recovery isn't paved with some new miracle product. It's actually the complete opposite. The key to barrier repair is less is more. The first and, honestly, most important step is to stop. For the next 2 to 4 weeks, you've got to stop doing whatever caused the damage. That means putting all of your powerful active ingredients on a temporary hold. No exfoliating acids, so that's glycolic, salicylic, you name it. No scrubs, no retinoids, and no high-strength vitamin C. Just think of it like a sprained ankle. You wouldn't go for a run, right? You'd rest it. Your skin needs the same thing. Now you simplify. Like, really simplify. Your routine is about to get super basic. Welcome to your 3-step barrier boot camp. First, cleanse gently. You need to ditch any cleanser that leaves your skin feeling squeaky clean. That feeling just means you've stripped away your natural oils. So switch to a gentle, creamy, or pH-balanced cleanser that doesn't foam up. Its only job is to clean your skin without causing more trouble. Next, hydrate and soothe. After cleansing, while your skin is still damp, go in with a simple, soothing hydrator. The key word here is simple. Look for ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and panthenol. These are humectants that draw water into your skin without irritating your already fragile barrier. Then, moisturize and protect. This is honestly the most crucial step for rebuilding. You want a moisturizer made for barrier support. Look for those mortar ingredients we talked about: ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. These are what your barrier is actually made of, so they help patch up the holes in your brick wall. Niacinamide is another fantastic ingredient that can help with this process. And during the day, this step is non-negotiable. Finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher. A damaged barrier is way more vulnerable to sun damage, so protection is everything. And that's it. A gentle cleanse, a simple hydrator, a barrier repair moisturizer and sunscreen. That is your entire routine for the next 2 to 4 weeks. The redness, the stinging, the tightness. That's not your skin misbehaving. It's communicating. It's telling you it's overwhelmed and needs a break. Healing a damaged barrier is really a lesson in listening to your skin. It teaches you that more isn't always better, and that sometimes the kindest thing you can do is to do less. By stripping back your routine and focusing on these basics, you give your skin the space and the tools it needs to repair itself. So, what was your score on the 5-step check? Let me know in the comments which symptom was your biggest aha moment. I read every single one, and I'd absolutely love to hear about your journey. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.